Hello YouTube, my name's Melissa Michaels, or you could call me Big M, my friends do. Today I got a package from the Kylie Jenner store, and I'm gonna show you guys what's inside, and I'm just like super excited to open it and show you guys what I got inside. And yes, I have opened the box, but I have not looked like under here, and I'm like super excited. So yes, it comes in a box like this, and we're gonna see what I got inside. Okay, so first off, we I got this really, oh, look at that. She blinks or winks. Just reading the bag. Ooh, she wrote on the back. That's so cool. Alright, um, now the index. You guys don't need to see that, but oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so excited. This is my first ever like anything with to do with the Kardashians or makeup. First time ever I'm getting a Kardashian or Jenner brand for anything. I have handbags or theirs, but it's the first time I'm ever getting makeup, and it's the Coco. So let's open it, shall we? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. That's what they come in. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh, I gotta like put one on my lips already. I think I gotta flex. Like red looks the best on me, so this smells so nice. Okay. Mm. It smells so nice. Look at the packaging too, like a rose gold. It's so pretty. You can see the red at the top of it. Mm. Ooh, oh my god, it's like literally dries on your lips so quickly. Mm. It's a matte finish, obviously. Mm. Um, I'm kind of shocked how fast it dried on my lips. I don't know if you meant to use like this one because it's like a glossy. I just I think you meant to put it on afterwards, but I show you on my hand. It's like a gloss. And then I have bad lighting. You guys can't really see it that good. Is that one? Ah, it's like a almost like the color of the packaging. Like it's like a goldish look. That one. This one. I'll do next. Ooh, this looks so pretty. I don't want to use it all on my hands, but I gotta show you guys. Yeah. Oh, I gotta try to look in there. Okay. That look. Oh my god, that looks so pretty. I wonder how long that would take to dry. It's like a pinkish type of look. And this one's like a purpley color. I cannot wait to like go out and like wear this out. There's a purple right there. It's so pretty. Well, I'm literally shocked how like contest it comes off a little bit like if you like rub it hard enough, but I'm like just tapping it. hardly see any of it on my hands, but I'll just try these. But yeah, the colors. Oh my god, it looks so cool. My first ever like like this. I'm like over the moon because I'm just like super excited. But yes, I got them. Yay! Oh my god, this is like super cool. But I just wanted to show you guys and show YouTube what I've done. This is going to be also going on my modeling page. I'm not a professional model because I don't know how to get into doing all that. Um, I just like take photos with my friends and then I put them on my modeling page. This will also be going on my plus size model page on Facebook. You can like my page on there if you like. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to subscribe to this channel, I will be doing more things. I want to get a camera. Right now I'm on my crappy 4-5-year-old laptop. So it's a pretty bad picture. But I'll be getting a camera soon and I'll be doing more videos for you guys out there. Please tell me if there's anything you guys would like me to do or show you guys, maybe show you my collection of makeup that I have. Although I haven't got that much because like my niece steals it. But if you guys would like to like look at my stuff that I have or see my jewelry collection, let me know in the comments down below and I might even reply to you guys and say hello and what's up. So subscribe, give me a thumbs up guys, and hope I can do more videos for you. Okay, bye.